Highly blessed everyone, I'm Nicholas Salmon and this is my channel, Sunchild. With this channel, I'll focus on my passion, things that I full joy doing. Hope I will inspire you to someday do the things that you love to do. See you soon. So I'm just mixing up a little formula with some of this and some of that all-purpose compost. And I'm going to just mix now. So I went to the not the greenhouse, I went to the thingy house yesterday, the garden center. Garden house, you know. Garden center. And I got some stink bomb. Man, it stink yo. Gosh. Funky yo. So I'm gonna put, I think I'm gonna put probably 3. Yeah. 3 in. I'm just gonna give it a nice mix. Nice mix. And this is the first time I'm ever using anything like this, so we'll see how this turns out. Okay. I'm just mixing it up, and then I'm gonna put them in this pot, and I'll be planting some tenderonis, lettuce, and salads and kale, and just to give the garden a little bit of decoration. All right, you'll see what I mean in a minute. All right, I'll come back when I finish mixing and potting. Okay. So I'm just knocking this down just to, you know, compact the compost. And just leveling it off. And then I'm gonna use my salads, which they're over here, my salads. So pretty. Yeah. So I'm gonna put these, not all of them, but just some of them. And probably 1 kale, and we see how that comes out. Yeah, this is my little greenhouse. I'll put everything in a heap though, so let's just concentrate over here. So come back in a minute. So I've planted out some baby dory lettuce, and I've also planted out, what's this one called again? Copacabana lettuce. God, that took a while. Oh my goodness, I couldn't even read my own handwriting. But anyways, it was just hot and sunny, and now it's starting to rain, so I'm gonna up and do this. So yeah, I planted out some of them, and also some ruby steak lettuce. So that's what I'm gonna do now. I'll show you where I'm gonna put this. How cute is this? Right, let's begin. So you saw that I made that, right, in the previous video. Now this is what I reinforced it with. You saw it at the ending of the video, so I reinforced it with a 2 by I don't even know how much, but it's 2 meters in length or 2 feet in length. And I put some nails in, but the reason why I put the nails in is just because of this. I am gonna pop the plants onto it, and where I put it got little holes in there, so it will actually hold the plant in case like the rain or breeze or weather. So it's got nails in it. Someone just said to me, just do that because you never can tell what storms are gonna be someday. So this is what I'm gonna do. So this one is for this one, so it turn like a triangle. I'll probably fix that over in a minute. I'll fix that one in a minute. And sorry of the sniffles. I've got a fever and it's not going away. So that one's for there on the side. And I think this one it's supposed to be squared right this way. Hold on, let me put this one in first and then that one in. There you go. Yeah, and then these supposed to be like a little, let me see if I did them, probably did them too close up. Hold on, one nail there, sir. Okay, over. There you go. Right. So it won't fall off. You get me? I ain't taking no check with my stock. Sorry if the video just shaky. It's just me trying to do everything with one hand. Let me see under here. I can't even see what I'm doing. There. Oh. And then we slot them in. Okay. And then these are my little babies on top of my trellis. It's just some makeshift thing. It's about time you come off of here. You're not serving no purpose anyways. That was hard work. But that's not how I nailed it anyways. I nailed it diamond shape. So I don't understand. I don't understand. I don't get it. But anyways, that's how it is. Like, share and comment, and also subscribe to my channel if you want to. If you want to see more crazy videos or makeshift videos on how I get food in my garden, no matter how, any means necessary, just keep on following me. Right, so this is my journey of girl meets her higher self. Sure, meeting our higher self for real, because that is just so cute. So my pea's gonna run up. And the funny thing about this as well is, look, let me show you. This can be beveled out. This bit can be beveled out. So the peas can still have space around the back. Because if you look, there's a whole heap of space with the peas them down there. You see them? Hello everybody. Right, so this is what I wanted to show you guys. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you on a next video, I say. See you soon.
Do you want to know? Sun is up, it's a beautiful day, my beginning.